everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. It's 7 a.m. I'm gonna start this Sunday reset with morning movement. I'm gonna stretch on my terrace as I do almost every morning. I also like to start my Sundays with scented tea. So this is my favorite morning of my weekend reset. I'm very happy that today the sun is out. What can be better? After a little stretching, I can see how it's tempting sometimes to just stay in bed, but honestly, since I've implemented this non-negotiable morning routine, I feel so much better. And sometimes I don't want to go outside and I don't want to do this even a little move. Even though I don't like to push myself on weekends, it's just this little push that I need in the morning to start my day, and it always pays off. It's an amazing feeling afterwards, the feeling that you did something right and you've started your day on the right note and you did something good for your body. And here is my little morning coffee as a reward. I will go to buy my favorite tea here and have a favorite shop with the best tea. So I've bought a lot of tea, a lot of rooibos. Basically that's my favorite because I love to drink it in the evening, and the one I've bought has no caffeine in it. So we have a little shopping situation here. Went to Osha to buy this. However, they don't have this in gray color, which I really wanted. I decided to take this one and try if the size is okay for me. I think the size and the fit is perfect. I'm gonna do my quick night evening skincare routine. I'm gonna start with a toner. I have this one in mini version, so that evening massage was great. After that, I went to sauna with cold shower. For me, this is the best thing you can do for your body, especially during your weekends. So I definitely paid attention to my body today. I had like this big monthly reset and I feel amazing. My body feels amazing. I think this is very important to reset your body as well, to give your body rest, pay your body the attention it deserves. So after that, I did a little bit of cleaning and organization of my space. It's a very important part of my monthly reset as well. It feels like a fresh start for your body and for your home, and most importantly for your mind as well, to prepare for upcoming months. So after toner, I'm gonna apply this hydrating mask from Dr. Jart, and in the meantime, I'm gonna take care of my hair. They are almost dry. I always do this trick, since mask packaging has a lot of product inside. I use it for my whole body. This is the hair oil I'm gonna use.